Baik, selamat sore. Pada kesempatan ini saya ingin sharing materi terkait dengan Service Marketing 7A Global Edition. Chapter 2, Consumer Behavior in a Service Context. Baik, kita langsung saja. Overview of Chapter 2, Customer Education Making the Three-Stage Model of Service Consumption. Number 1, pre-purchase stage. Number 2, service encounter stage. And number 3, post-encounter stage. Pre-purchase stage. Pre-purchase stage overview. Number 1, purchase stage consists of customer seek solution to arouse needs. 2, evaluating a service may be difficult. 3, uncertainty about outcomes increases perceived risk. What risk reduction strategies can service supplier develop? Understanding customers, service expectation, component of customer expectation, making a service purchasing decision. Need arousal. Number 1, decision to buy or use a service triggered by need arousal. Triggers of need. 1, unconscious minds, exempli gratia, personal identity and aspiration. 2, physical condition, exempli gratia, hunger. 3, external sources, exempli gratia, a service firms, marketing activities. Consumer are then motivated to find a solution for their needs. Information source. Need arousal leads to attempt to find a solution. Advocate said a set of products and brand that a customer considers during the decision-making process that is derived from past experience or external sources. Alternatives then need to be evaluated before a final decision is made. Evaluating alternatives, service attributes. Search attributes help customer evaluate a product before purchases. SMP gratia, type of food, location, type of restaurant, and price. 2, experience attribute cannot be evaluated before purchases. The consumer will not know how much she or he will enjoy the food, the service, and the atmosphere until the actual experience. Credence attributes are those that customers find impossible to evaluate confidently even after purchase and consumption. Exempli gratia, hygienic condition of the kitchen and the healthiness of the cooking ingredients. How product attributes affect easy of evaluation. In the slide shown in the top red area is the characteristic is most of goods, and the top area in the curve is most services. Yeah, and the left area start from easy to evaluate to difficult to evaluate. So from the slide, we can know easy to evaluate is consists of most of goods. Yeah, easy to evaluate consists of most of goods, consists of clothing, chair, motor vehicle, foods, is high in source attributes. And then in the middle, and the area, the middle area is restaurant meals, lounge fertilization, haircut, entertainment, high in experience attributes. And difficult to evaluate is most services, computer repair, education, legal services, complex surgery, high in credence attribute. Perceived risk of purchasing and using services. Number one, functional, unsatisfactory performance outcomes. Financial, two, financial monetary loss, unexpected extra cost. Three, temporal wasted time, delaying leading to problems. Four, physical, personal injury, damage to possession. Five, psychological, fears and negative emotion. Six, social, how others might think and react. Eight, sensory, unwanted impact of any of five senses. How may consumer handle perceived risk? Seek information from respected personal sources. Compare services offering answers for independent review and rating via the internet. Relying on a firm with good reputation, looking for guarantees and warranties. Visiting services facilities or going for trial before purchases and examining tangible goods or other physical evidence. Asking knowledgeable employees about competing services. Strategic response to managing customer perception of risk. Free trial for services with experience attribute, advertise, help to visualize, display credential, use evidence management, assembly criteria, furnishing equipment, etc. Offer guarantees, encourage visit to service facilities, give customer online access about order status. Understanding customer service expectation. Customer evaluate service quality by comparing what they expect against what they perceive. Situational and personal factor also considered. Expectations of good service vary from one business to another, and differently positioned service providers in same industry. Expectation change over time. Factors influencing customer expectation of service. Number one is personal needs, and number two, belief about what is possible, and number three is perceived service alteration. Number four, situational factors. And in number from number two and number one and number two is influence to design service. And number three and number four factor is influence educated services. And then design service influence from explicit and implicit service promises or word of mouth and past experience and predicted services. And predicted services also influence adequate services. Yeah. And um, the area from desired service uh, to adequate service is area of zone of tolerance. Yeah. Component of customer expectation. Desired service level, which we seek for level of service quality that customer believes can and should be delivered. Adequate service level, minimum acceptable level of services. Service, minimum acceptable level of service. Predicted service level that customer believes firm will actually deliver. Zone of tolerance, acceptable range of variation in service delivery. Purchase decision. Possible alternatives are compared and evaluated, where B, the best option is selected. Simple if perceived risks are low and alternatives are there, complex when trade-off increases. Trade-offs are often involved. After making a decision, the consumer moves into the service encounter stage. Service encounter stage. Service encounter stage overview. Service encounter stage consists of service encounters range from high to low contact. Understanding the function system theater as a metaphor for service delivery and integrative perspective. Service facilities, personnel, role, and script theories. Service encounter stage. Service encounter a period of time during which a customer interacts directly with the service provider. Might be brief or extend over a period of time, simply great via a phone call or visit to the hospital. Models and frameworks. Number one, moment of truth, importance of managing touch point. Number two, high or low contact model, extent and nature of contact point. Number three, function model, variation of interaction. Number four, theater metaphor, staging, service performance. Moment of truth. We could say that perceived quality is realized at the moment of truth when the service provider and the service customer confront one another in the arena. At the moment, they are very much on their own. This the skill, the motivation, and the tools employed by the firm's representative and the expectation and behavior of the client, which together will create and service delivery process. Richard Norman. Service encounters range from high contact to low contact. From the slide show this is the high contact area and this low contact area, and this is the line the area the line to the hub from high to low contact. This is the area emphasis encounters with physical service elements, and this is area emphasis encounters with service personnel. And here we show about three level of customer contact, and dark blue is high contact, and the blue one is middle contact. This is the area, the middle of contact. Yeah. And then the blue one is the area is here. Yeah. And from the slide, we know the high contact level of customer contact is consists of the industry or business is nursing home, yeah, haircut, yeah, and 4-star hotels, good restaurant, airline travel, retail banking, model, and fast food. And then the middle level customer contact is here, consists of industry or business like management consulting, dry cleaning, movie theater, subway, car repair, telephone banking. And this one, the blue one, is low level of customer contact. The industry of business is consists of insurance, cable TV, internet banking, mail-based repairs, internet-based service. This distinction between high contact and low contact service. High contact service, number one, customer visit service facility and remain throughout service delivery. Number two, active contact. Three, include most people processing services. And low contact services, one, little or no physical contact. Two, contact is usually at arm's length through electronic or physical distribution channels. Three, facilitated by new technologies. The service system consists of service operation, and this is the service delivery system. Service operation system consists of technical core and backstage invisible. Technical core consists of animate environment and contact personnel. And animate environment consists of customer A, and here is customer B. So the relationship from customer A and customer B, the relationship is like this. And contact personnel from customer A, the relationship is there are a relationship from contact personnel and customer A. And this is the system. If the system operation system is backstage invisible, and service delivery system is front stage visible. Yeah. The server function system, service production and delivery. Server function system, visible front stage and invisible backstage. Service operation, one, technical core where inputs are processed and service element created. Two, contact people. Three, animate environment. Service delivery, where final assembly of service element takes place and service is delivered. Includes customers' interaction with operation and other customers. Theater as metaphor for service delivery. All the world's states and all the men and women merely players. They have their exit and their entrance, and each man in his time plays many parts. William Shakespeare, as you like it. Theatrical metaphor, an integrative perspective. Good metaphor or service delivery is a series of events that customer experience as a performance. Service facilities, stage on which drama unfolds. This might change from one act to another. Personnel, from stage personnel are like members of a cast. Backstage personnel are support production team. Roles, like actors. Employees have roles to play and behave in specific ways. Script specifies the consequence of behavior for customer and employees. Implication of customers participation in service delivery. Greater need for information or training. Help customer to perform well, get desired result. Customers should be given a realistic service review in advance of service delivery. This allows them to have a clear idea of their expected role and their script in this whole experience. manages expectation and emotion. Post and counter stage. Post-purchase stage overview. Post and counter stage consists of evaluation of service performance and future intention. Customer satisfaction with service experience. Satisfaction, attitude like judgment. Following a service purchases are series of service interaction, where the customer have expectation prior to consumption, observe service performance, compare it to expectation. Satisfaction judgment are based on this comparison. Positive disconfirmation better, confirmation same, negative disconfirmation worse. Customer delight, going beyond satisfaction. Research show that delight is a function of three components: unexpectedly high level of performance, arousal, exempli gratia, surprise, excitement, positive affect, exempli gratia, pleasure, joy, or happiness. Strategic link exists between customer satisfaction and corporate performance. By creating more value for customers, increasing satisfaction, the firm created more value for the owner. Customer delight, going beyond satisfaction. Best practice in action 2.1, Turkish Delight Backup Company offers customers surprisingly innovative solution, provided excellent customer service whatever the time and wherever the place. Summary, a pre-purchase stage. Key steps. Number 1, need arousal. 2, information search. 3, evaluation of alternative solution. 4, purchase decision. Service and counter stage consists of customer face perceived risk which marketer should reduce with moment of the truth. Importance of effectively managing touch point strategic response. And low contact service model, understanding the extent and nature of zone of tolerance adequate to desire dissatisfaction if service level contact point falls below adequate level. Satisfaction model, variation of interaction. Post and counter stage. In evaluating service performance, customer can have expectation. Theater metaphor, staging service performance. Positively confirm, or negatively disconfirm. Unexpectedly high level of performance, arousal, and positive effect are like to lead to the line. Okay, finish. Thank you for the attention. And we finish for chapter 2 in services marketing 7A global edition about consumer behavior in a service context. Thanks for your attention.